So they gave us these like 3D glasses that make every light look into a kaleidoscope. So this is what it looks like. No, bring the light back.
When the fireworks go off, put it on.
Yeah. That's everything without it. Let's see what it looks like with the glasses on.
How did it look? Oh wow, that's kind of intimidating.
Oh, it's really nice with the glasses.
The ones that like go down.
Oh, they look so shimmery. It looks like, you know, like Cinderella, the Magic Kingdom and whatnot. That's what it reminds me of.
That's where my parents are.
Oh, they're so lucky. Disney World?
I'll free for the job.